Bersama saya dalam studio kita ada Liana Jasmine, Cinta Bersatu.
Cinta Bersatu. Cik Paris Masuk Kampung. Itu adalah telefilm kedua daripada Terbitan Mermaid Studios. So basically idea asal daripada saya sendiri dengan Gas Abu Bakar, who are also my director. Basically cerita ni is very fun, very fresh. Ada love story. It's a love story. It's a romantic comedy. So I'm really excited because this is my second time with Izu Islam, and I memang suka Izu Islam because I ada chemistry dengan dia, and the character is so fun. I enjoy sangat berlakon karakter ni, and when we were shooting immersing, it was so fun. Kita shooting kat tepi pantai kan. Enjoy lah shooting kali ni ya. I rasa I love fashion. Kalau saya rasa saya asal bakat saya, if I have a lot of time, saya rasa I would love to do a lot of research on fashion. Basically memang masa I dengar lagu tu, memang I dah cakap puja yang I nak macam manja, macam supaya that song macam bila orang dengar macam nak tidur kan, macam manja, macam lembek kan, macam lembut-lembut. So actually sebenarnya I was inspired by Agnes Monica punya lagu. Tajuk dia teruskanlah kan, macam manja, dia suara macam serak-serak kan. So that is one. Di matamu. Tapi ni sebenarnya lagu tu is meant for Cik Paris Diva Masuk Kampung. Apparently masa I jumpa Tilu, I cakap I want a love song because I'm doing memang khas for soundtrack untuk drama ni, untuk tele ni. Tapi apparently masa kita record tu macam it fits perfectly lah, macam it fits perfect for this month, meaning I'm getting engaged and my feeling, and then for the tele is also love story. So I rasa memang perfect sangat. So yeah, but actually memang my fiance is the first person to hear that song before it's even recorded. Once I dengar masa Tilu main tu and then I straight away bagi tahu dia that what do you think, kan, macam you as a normal person, I cakap as a normal pendengar, I cakap apa pendapat you tentang lagu ni. Dia memang suka lah. Dia kata kalau dia memang peminat lagu, peminat pendengar muzik biasa, dia normal lah, bukan orang yang macam terror sangat ke apa, tapi dia kata dia suka memang cepat catch up. The song is catchy. So
jom kita recap balik ah. Mula-mula lagu awak Aku Tak Percaya Cinta. Lepas tu Aku Jatuh Cinta. Sekarang ni Cinta Bersatu. Dia adakah ini kebetulan ataupun memang awak
kebetulan sahaja?
Ada apa?
Ni masa Aku Tak Percaya Cinta tu mungkin masa kita muda lah kan, young. So masa muda-muda dulu kan. So sebenarnya for this single yang kita akan compile menjadi album, InsyaAllah kita akan keluarkan 5 single. Nak menunjukkan kematangan from the first album lah. Macam more macam experimental on different genre, maybe a bit jazzy, kadang-kadang mungkin jadi R&B, you know. Mungkin the first one is balada, but maybe second single could be R&B, could be collaborating with rapper, or yang the third single mungkin jazz, you know, things like that lah.
So you nak try macam-macam jugalah.
Yeah, just experimenting, you know, it's fun. Dia pertama sekali message I dengan perkataan Hai Jiran. Macam it's so sweet, macam it's so weird. Nobody would say that. Usually macam kalau orang nak ayat kan mesti macam Hi, how are you? Tapi dia macam Hai Jiran, macam sangat relevan dan tak boleh nak kata tidak. Macam,
so dari saat itu awak dah macam wow, ini something different.
Yeah, macam kena reply lah because it's very sweet and simple kan. Dia tak poyo, tak menggelabar, macam Hai Jiran. So nice. So you have to reply Hi Jiran.
Tengok kehebatan SMS.
He is a very nice person. Dia kelakar. Masa mula mungkinlah I judge dia sikit lah. Before I kenal dia, I was a bit judgmental because I thought that he was kind of preppy tau. Because he looks very polished. Dia tu nampak macam very polished, very macam different from a lot of men yang I selalu jumpa kalau I selalu hang out. Macam semua macam kepala gila, rockish kan. And then bila dengan dia tu and then I selalu berkawan kebanyakannya orang seni juga, director ke, pelakon ke, bla bla bla. Jadi masa nak kawan dia tu I macam ragu-ragu juga, macam boleh ke kawan dia. But then I salah lah. The first time I jumpa dia, oh my god, he's so funny. He's so normal. Macam the first time I jumpa lelaki yang normal, macam bukan in the industry but someone yang so normal and fun, and he's very funny, and then dia tahu apa yang macam mana nak attract I. Macam that is the benda yang paling I suka lah.